I thought I'd fallen too far this time. Thought I'd crossed the line I couldn't find my way back from. Chains around my hands, chains around my mind, but you never once let go. I gave away the strength you gave to me, traded holy things for what I thought I'd need. Woke up in the dark, blinding on my knees, but you never once let go. Even in the rubble, even in the fall, you were writing something greater through it all. This is not the end of my story. This is not where I'm laid to rest. You take the broken and the sorry, and you call it blessed. Every failure, every fall I've known, you were never letting go. This is not the end of my story. Oh. Like a pillar, standing tall and strong, your mercy holds me, even when I got it wrong. The prayer I prayed when everything was gone, you heard it and you never let go. Even in the rubble, even in the fall, you were writing something greater through it all. This is not the end of my story. Oh yeah, this is not where I'm laid to rest. Oh, you take the broken and the sorry, and you call it blessed. Every failure, every fall I've known, you were never letting go. This is not the end of my story. Strength returns when I surrender. Grace arrives when I let go.